Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for entrepreneurs and business owners. Social media for business growth. Let's get right into it. Social media isn't just for posting pictures or sharing memes. It's a powerful tool for growing your business. So, how can you use it effectively? First things first, establish a solid online presence. Choose platforms that align with your target audience. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, X, or LinkedIn, be where your customers are. Consistency is key. Ensure your branding is uniform across all platforms. From your logo to your bio, make sure it reflects your business identity. Create valuable content. Share tips, behind-the-scenes looks, and customer stories. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building a connection with your audience. Engage, engage, engage! Respond to comments, messages, and mentions. This builds a community around your brand and establishes trust. Consider using advertising tools. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising, allowing you to reach your specific audience and maximize your marketing budget. Pay attention to analytics. Most platforms provide insights into your audience's behavior. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on what works. And there you have it, a quick guide to using social media for business growth. Remember, it's not just about being present, it's about being strategic. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments your favorite social media strategy. Until next time, happy social media growing!